We designed a new approach to standard operating procedures that we call action plans. These are dynamic sets of instructions that an operator follows when responding to an event. To help you get started, we've populated your account with common action plans for events that most customers encounter, such as suspicious person, medical event, or entrapments. You can edit these or create your own. They're simple to create. Select the menu button and choose Action Setup. Action plans are built using items from the library, which is grouped into categories. As an example, let's make a category for a response to a gunshot. Here we'll add every task the operator may need to respond to the shot itself. Tasks can come in the form of a yes or no question, a request for input, a basic instruction, and much more. We then control how these are presented to the operator by adding them into an action plan. First, let's create the action plan for the reported gunshot event. Add tasks to this plan by clicking the arrow to the left of the action in the category. Marking the action as required will force it to be completed before the event is closed out. Tasks added this way will be shown to the operator immediately after starting the event. To add conditional actions, select the small badge to the right of the parent action in the category. Actions added in here are triggered after the completion of the parent action, provided the appropriate conditions are met. Action plans are then bound to an event type on the event configuration page, which we'll cover next. These plans provide a clear guide while still offering the flexibility that operators need to respond in a way that's relevant to each specific event.